was about 20 million. And I came in the morning and George started yelling at me. He got a call from his friend at the Bank of England. They were yelling at him for destabilizing the pound. I worked with George for a while. I was hired to be his successor, and very smart guy, very talented, good instincts, considered himself more of an investor than a trader. And I remember, I hadn't looked at charts. I was watching screens 20 hours a day, so I didn't look at charts. I kind of just figured out levels that were important, but I had a good feel for the market. I was hired by George. He called me into his office. He said, I want you to spend a lot of time sitting with me. I'm the master. I'll teach you what to do. I said, okay, fine, whatever. And I said, look, George, the pound here is overvalued. It was, in the time, it was trading in the mid to high 180s. And I said, it's going down. It's definitely going down. He goes, okay. I said, well, any particular way you want me to manage the trade? He said, yeah, put some on. When it starts going your way, let him have it. Okay, I like that, fine. And so that's exactly how I'd always traded. So I started selling pounds, and I'm selling more, and I'm selling more, and it started really going my way. So I just slammed it. And I went and sold hundreds of millions of pounds, and the market started cratering, and it started dropping quickly to maybe 2 cents, 3 cents. And I go, that was a nice trade. So I went and bought it back. And it was a trade. It wasn't a long-term view. I knew it was good for, at least 3 or 4 cents. We made very, very good money in the trade. We made, well over, $10, $15 million in the trade. And I think total was about 20 million. And I came in the morning and George started yelling at me. He said, well, what are you doing? Destabilizing the market. I said, George, he said, well, it's going your way. Let him have it. I let him have it. And then I bought him back and I made all the money and everyone got caught short and it went back up. And he said, yeah, except he got a call from his friend at the Bank of England. They were yelling at him for destabilizing the pound. I said, George, I said, I can't have it both ways. I let him have it. And then I bought him back. He said, yeah, okay, whatever. So it was kind of funny. It's like, all right, I wasn't quite sure how to handle that one. There were times when I'd be absolutely certain about a move. And there were times when I had just more of a high probability. And that was one time I was certain. I had no doubt it was going down. And it was partially because it had kept failing at progressively lower levels. And the buying power seemed pretty much exhausted. And I figured, let's go give it a good smack and see how it behaves.